In this video, I will show you how to convert your website into Android application. So firstly guys, you need to visit my this website. So here you will get the source code. So open this site, then open the Android Studio. If you don't have, so open any web browser and search Android Studio. So you will see these options. It's completely free. Download and install. And once you download, open it. Here you will see this interface. Click on File, New and New Project. Now here select No Activity. Click on Next. Here give your website or application name. Make sure package name as your website or your application name. Here you can change location where you want to save files of this application. Language select Java. Leave as default minimum SDK. And here select Groovy DSL. Then click on Finish. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. Now here you will see any notice, so select automatically. Now here expand app, then manifest. Double click on Android manifest. Now expand Java. So in the first folder you will see com dot your website name. Right click on it, new activity, and here select empty views activity. So click on empty views activity. Leave as a default, just check this box, launcher activity. Then click on finish. Now wait for few seconds. Now guys, you will see three files here. Click on this activity main XML. Now copy this code from my website. Now here click on this last one for code. Double enter and paste here. So copy this first code and paste here in activity main XML. Now copy this second code, this main activity.java. So open this main activity.java. Copy this all and remove. So only just leave as a default this first line, and from 3 line paste your second code. Here is my website URL address. You have to enter your website address. Now copy this third line, third code for Android manifest, and open this Android manifest. Make the enter here and paste. Now your application is ready. You successfully converted your website into Android app. If you have this emulator, so you can run your application and you can check it. Just run this application. Now to remove this bar, expand this res folder. Now expand values, expand themes, double click on themes.xml. Here you will see the option, here you will see the written dark, remove it, type in capital no, no, same, double click on themes.xml for night, and same here, remove dark and type here no. Now recheck, so run the app. So now we can see we successfully that removed. So this is the first part for this video series. In the second part I will show you some more options and some more advanced features, like how to add back and exit feature, swipe down to refresh, and splash screen rotation. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel. In the next some videos we will improve this application. So thanks for watching. If you have any errors, so comment.